Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to invite someone to narrate your Simplebooklet pages. In just a few clicks, you can send a secure invite to a teammate, guest speaker, or expert so they can add their own voice or video to your booklet. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Record tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click the Invite button. Here you can choose whether your guest narrator can record on the current page only or on all pages in your booklet. Next, you can use the toolbox to provide any instructions or guidance for your guest. This is where you can explain what you'd like them to say or focus on. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click the Create Invite button. You receive an invitation link that you can copy and share. From here, you can copy the link, disable it at any time, or update the instructions if needed. And as you can see right here, your guest narrator does not require a Simplebooklet account to do so. Now let's look at what happens on their end. So when your guest opens the invitation link, this is what they'll see on their screen. They'll need to click the Open Recording to access the recording pop-up. From here, they can record video by clicking the green button to start the video recording and the red button to stop. They can review the recording, redo it if needed, or save it. If they'd rather record voice only, they can switch to voice only right here. And then click the green button to record, or even upload an MP3 file. Then they can preview, redo, or save just the same. At the bottom of the pop-up, they can also choose their microphone or camera before recording. Once they save their narration, it's submitted to you for review. Now let's walk through how to review and approve submissions. So now we're going to head back to the Record tab for our booklet. If there's a new submission, you'll see a notification badge on the Invite button. So as you can see here, we have that little number 1. So we can click on that. As you can see here, we'll switch to the submission section and we can check out the submission that our guest has just submitted to us. And we can play it back and see how we like it. And from there, we can decide if we want to add it to our page or delete it. And then once approved, the narration becomes active on that page. Just get a little confirmation there. Inviting guest narrators supports the awareness and engagement stages of the reader's journey. Bringing in another voice or expert perspective adds credibility, variety, and personality to your content, helping readers stay interested and connected more deeply with your message. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.